Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a beautiful walkthrough of this gorgeous 2020 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest Mahalo. Absolutely loaded in pristine condition, a little over 200 hours on the upgraded 400 L6 Mercury Verados. Just about every conceivable option on this one. You have a swim ladder on the starboard side here, nice easy walkthrough, but you also have a standard dive door on this model. Makes it really easy to get on. Customer's done a lot of extras on this, a lot of extra canvas. You have the full enclosure with air conditioning out here. You see the Sure Shade option here. He has satellite television, obviously the outriggers and open array radar. It's a white hull, nice and easy to take care of. Awesome seating configuration here. You can pack these away when you're not using them. Big fish boxes. He has the optional table here under this storage area back here. Built-in live well for a cooler or to do a little fishing. You have a slide-out barbecue here. Comes out when you want to use it. Really nice. Never been used. Again, look at how nice this dive door is to get off on a floating dock. Optional cockpit refrigerator, wet sink out here. You have two back-to-back seats here on the port side. And you have a table underneath the port side helm seat here that when you have the table, or when you have the backrest move forward, the table pops up. Gorgeous helm chair, twin 12-inch Raymarines. Again, cockpit air. Customer put the air conditioning in with your controls up here. Look at the blackout curtains he did on this, all solar screens to really keep it nice. This is a joystick operated vessel also with the DTS controls from Mercury. You put a nice remote spotlight in. It's a VHF radio with a wireless handheld. You have USB ports everywhere. Look at the cabin. Cabin's never been slept on. Absolutely gorgeous. Showroom condition. Beautiful refrigerator in here. Cooktop stove, microwave. Engineered wood floors. Beautiful television. Again, it has set television as well. There's a DirecTV receiver in there if you want to have it activated. This table will drop down here to make this a berth. Lots of storage everywhere. And you have a full double bed back here in the mid cabin with the privacy curtain option. He does have fitted sheets for the boat as well. Let's not forget, gorgeous vacuum flush head with hot water heater and shower, nicely appointed. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest Mahalo. This is the next one that's going to sell. Absolutely beautiful boat in perfect condition. Give me a call today, 561-654-6058. You know what? We're going to do a quick tour of the bow. Almost forgot. Nice, easy walk-arounds. He has the sun pad option up here. Nice, easy access to your windlass. Great all-around boat for doing a little bit of everything. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Give me a call today, 561-654-6058. Thanks for watching.